Alright, today is August 26th, 2024. Um, Setting up my levels for ES, NQ, and VIX. Going over the earnings. It looks like Nvidia has earnings on Wednesday, and Nvidia has been one of the strongest tech stocks. Let's see. Forgot where I used to go to see what stocks QQQ and Q has. Forgot where I used to go to. Let's see if I can find it. Maybe it was this. Nope. One wasn't that. Trying to remember the site. Let's see if it's this. No, I think Yahoo might be able to show me um, the stocks. Let's go to let's just go back. Let's close this out. I think Yahoo might be able to show me the order. Okay, this might take longer than I needed to. Holdings. Alright, so you got right here Nvidia. It's number 3, and it's a major one on here. And if you look here, since beginning of the year, Nvidia moved about 93 points. Well, not points, but $93. Where's that low? Right here. To the top here. So 93.44, which is a lot, because it was a $50 stock that went up to like $141. So, which is a good turnaround for this stock, for any stocks actually. That's a lot. And then it did have a pullback, and then it's bouncing up. So right now it's showing signs of selling over here, and it does have earnings coming up soon. Went to 50% mark and bounce. And it does have earnings coming in on Wednesday, on the 28th. So and then they have a nice bounce here. So, but it's been rallying on low volume. So, and it's looking just like ES. So let's go into SPY. So it's number 3 on QQQ. Let's go into SPY. See their holdings also. Nvidia is number 3 also as well. It's 6.2% almost, and it's pretty much almost in line with Microsoft and Apple. Here it's 7.8, like 8%, so in line with Microsoft. Apple is really pushing, so it's a very major stock. So anything that comes from it can move these indices. Let's see here. What's this? What QQQ and SPY is? What they have. So and the tech stocks are like 32% of it for what's that SPY. So yeah, that's very interesting about Tesla. Really dropped way down here. Tesla's number was that 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or an Nvidia took AVG. What is this? Probably coming. Ever heard of Avco? Okay. All right. So that's where we are right now. So I'll just keeping an eye on Nvidia. So I'm gonna go to my normal charts. let me I actually don't need to do all of that. Let me just change this like that. So as you can see, Nvidia it has been rising. We actually finally have volume up here that showed its face. It's buying volume, not selling. Actual about buying volume that showed its face. I think on the 23rd. Actually, I don't know what happened. So the 23rd was pretty weird. 23rd was bouncing back and forth. So not quite sure what to make of that. I remember the 23rd. We just basically did this the whole time. So, but it looks like, um, yeah, we bounced up, bounced down, bounced up, bounced down, bounced up, and then stayed right here. So right now it looks like buyers may be in control because we do have a strong buying candle on the daily, and we are headed towards we're still inside of it, so buying might still be down here. So definitely was probably buying definitely probably down here. So and we're still heading towards the on the top here to see how price reacts. So as far as if I need to add anything or change anything, I think I'm going to get rid of this little thing that I have here, and I'm going to make this smaller. I can get rid of this. I'm going to make this one smaller. I'm going to go into the 5-minute and see what exactly, how can I minimize it. And then I'm going to see what's going on with the daily, with the pre-market session. So let's go to the 5-minute. Go. Let's move over, and then we'll broaden our range of target. Looking for a strong selling. We have one right here. Okay, that's good. Right now, this is prices way up here. So I'll put price at the open at 5660.5. That. I think price kind of bounced off of that, so that's kind of where we are. So I'm going to keep that. 24,682, 24,282, 24,682. All right, so my price is not jumping out of that area, so that's pretty much it. How big is this range? 4. Okay. All right. This is the same thing, correct? Yeah. Yeah. This looks much different when you close up. All right, so that's my range with that. Let's go back to the 30-minute and see what we're getting here. We have something going on here. Buying, stop and halted, selling right up here. So I'm probably gonna lean more towards to see if we can get some nice selling up here. Need to see how price reacts over here. Let's do this. Back to the 5-minute. That's NQ. Buying's all over. So Alright, so we just keep an eye. Might be a weak spot, but gotta keep an eye on it nonetheless because, well, we tested it and bounced. What did we do on the 1 minute? Looks like we tested it and bounced. Strong volume came in right here, and then we had a reversal. So gonna respect that, and probably got the same thing around here somewhere. Volume coming in, and then reverse. All right. So that's basically it for my ES. Let's do NQ. Let's go to the 30-minute. Alright, we're definitely holding this area. It's supposed to be a strong buying. Yeah, we're definitely holding this. Buying wise, we destroyed it. Selling wise, it's right up here. Likely this is going to stay exactly the way it is. Five-minute line is way down there. Pretty big range. How big is this thing? 129. Alright. Sheesh. Talk about extreme. Alright, so that's it for that. I'm not gonna add anything to it. I'm not gonna take away anything from it. Let's do VIX. See what VIX is showing us. VIX has been holding these areas down here. VIX still can drop even lower. All is selling but no volume. All is selling, but yeah, it's kind of tough to really gauge VIX. Can't really work with any of this. So that's it for VIX. Alright, so kind of where I'm at with the market. Let's do sentiment. Alright, so that is settlement. That's kind of tough because we have all of that, but that's settlement. Let's see what's NQ settlement. Okay, get rid of that. Alright, that's settlement. Settlement's done. Close this out. Close this out. We're gonna go to ADR destroyed it. Oh, alright, so we're in the middle. Got a lot of space to move. 30 minutes. Okay, make sure you're correct. Alright, so today we had supposed to have an 8:30 news. Price didn't seem like it fluctuated at all, so there's nothing to come after that. So that's basically it. Yeah, the 8:30 news was garbage. We have a lot of volume that's coming in. It's a lot of volume for this pre-market. Don't typically see this much volume, from what I can recall. It's usually very quiet, but then again, I could be wrong. Maybe it's because I've been looking at yeah, see, I'm probably wrong. Yeah, because I've been looking at the 30-minute and just been ignoring most of these volumes here. But it looks like a lot, right? Going on. But keep an eye on the 30. You can see that these are our main areas of focus. There, especially this one. So we'll see how price reacts. Looking for longs since we've been on an uptrend, and I'm just looking for clear levels that match my entry. So I just gotta wait, be patient. Nothing really sticks out right now. We are look like we might be having a nice downtrend. May bounce off of this, may break it, retest and move lower. But I'm looking for a nice trend that makes sense. That's just like not a forced trend. Right now, this is like we have to like kind of like really reject here, move our way down, and then bounce out. So don't really have much of anything right now. So, but the clearer the channel and trend, the better the entry. That's really what I've been getting. Like this, don't need to rush it. Don't even think we got anything on the. Yeah, it's just okay. Bounce and it went. Let it go. You know, this one here. If I adjust it to match this, you know, now I'm forcing it to work in my favor. Now we have this on the outside, and it's just not working out. So I'm not gonna force any channels. Not gonna force anything at all. The easier it is to fall into place, the better the probability of the trade working out. And then just waiting. So that's it for me for today. This morning, I will be back in the evening to see how I do. All right, I'm done.